Welcome back to my channel. My name's Adriana, and this is a space where I share recipes with you that I love, especially plant-based Mexican recipes. Today, I want to share with you a Mexican dessert, that of polvorones, or sometimes known as Mexican wedding cookies. The ingredients are 3/4 cups of almond flour, 1/4 cup of cassava flour, also known as yuca, 1/4 cup of crushed pecans, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, powdered sugar for dusting, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of sea salt, and 2 tablespoons of vegan butter. Polvorones are one of the more commonly found cookies in Mexico. The truth is that there's actually many variations of this one cookie. The name polvorones just roughly translates to powdered because they are often powdered with sugar. You may have heard of them being referred to as Mexican wedding cookies because they are often found in special occasions such as weddings. Although this recipe will vary from family to family, there are 2 ingredients that you will always find in this cookie: flour and butter. But of course, butter is not vegan, so I wanted to make a recipe for you that is not only vegan, but also gluten-free. The ingredients I'm including in this recipe are so easy to work with, making it one of the easiest cookies that you can work with. Because there is no flour, you don't have to worry about overworking the dough. I hope that you enjoy these polvorones, and I hope that you get to try them out for one of your holiday celebrations. Let me know down in the comments what you like to pair these cookies with. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the recipes or the live cooking streams that we do on this channel. And a quick shout out to Health Studios for this beautiful apron. It is made in the US, beautiful quality, and if you're interested in getting one for yourself, click the link down below. And I hope that you enjoy this holiday season and that you get to eat delicious food full of peace and love and joy. And as always, buen provecho.